There. Okay, now Casey, get on.
What?
Casey, get on.
And then we would both spin
Please don't fall. I'm gonna get my ass stuck. And plus my ass hurts a lot.
Good for you.
Ma! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!
Ping pong.
I'll start her out with it. No. No.
Wait,
No,
Bryce
please.
have to get her.
No! No! My ass hurts!
Wait, I'm starting it now.
My ass! Okay. I'm starting to go in circles!
You don't wanted it.
And I'm still recording this too.
Spin, spin.
I feel like it's gonna hurt!
Are you going to jump off?
Yes!
Jump off.
I can't! I'm too dizzy! Damn. Hold on, guys. My boots are dirty.
Okay, okay.
Oh god, I'm getting dizzy.
Oh, shit. Don't stop her. Let her do it on her own. Just don't fall on your butt again.
I won't.
Congratulations, Casey.